Hi guys, update on IonQ. So yeah, this third wave is finished. Wave 4 is started, we said yesterday. We said like the internal structure is almost complete for this first leg, or already like all of the wave 4. This line here was the time comparison from your wave 2 to your wave 4. We didn't reach it yet, but here we can see that there is some reaction to the first Fibonacci level now, and yeah, especially this last 2 hours we had also a little bit more volume coming in. On the green ones we have like a nice bounce here without like falling back and hitting the 886, so that's nice. Internally, yeah, A, B, and then inside here I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit more. I put it like this yesterday. I was expecting like one more low, but I think it's better like this. 1, 2, and then this is another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your wave 3, 4, 5, and then yeah, perfect reaction to the fibs. To the first fib here we have a nice bounce, very clean. Price didn't do like this and like didn't come very close to the low, which would be like more of a chance for it to be an ABC. This is nice. Now we are flagging here, so this could be the start of a bounce finally. If it's gonna be an ABC to do a larger correction, or if it's gonna be an impulse, we need to wait. At least we will get one more push, and then yeah, if we get a 4-5, that's the first signal that we are working on blue wave 5. I'm gonna check something quickly. I say this because if this is a wave A, this is a wave B, and this is a C that's gonna come, or like if it's a WXY, these are your corrective options. Your wave B is always a 3-waver, 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 no matter which corrective structure you have. Your wave B or your X is always a 3-waver. So if we get a 5-wave move here, and we already get pretty high here, then I'm confident that the low is in. For a 3-waver like this, your ABC, any 3, you could get like a mini 5-wave move up, and then a correction, and then another 5-wave to have a 3-waver like this, yes. But that's why I say if this gives like a large 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we come close here, or we take this, then you can't make a 3-wave move because it will just be too high, and I'll be more confident then that this is a wave 1, we will get a wave 2, and then we go higher. But yeah, we have to follow and see. I'm sorry, I went a little bit too much into detail, I think, there. But here, this is very nice. Again, I said this is probably a B wave because of how high it went. Then, yeah, yesterday I failed to see this one as another 1, 2. My bad there. But now, in your C wave, you need 5 waves. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Respected very nicely. Fibs respected. Now this is another 1, 2 maybe. Like this, you reacted to the 0.5 fib very nicely. And now next week we will probably go up. At least for a bounce, I'll put some targets here. And I'm gonna label it like this, but beware, it could just be an A, B, C, and then we go down more. I'll delete this internal count and just leave it like this for a little bit more clarity. Yeah, so super nice to see this fib react done here as well, like respect it, not react. And yeah, if we have this, it could be another. And then we finish this whole thing. Of course, again, we need to be aware it could still do this and then go higher. But for that, your common targets for wave B are here, so at least a little bit more upside minimally is expected next week, I think. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna leave this scenario now here for now, and then Monday we will see what the market does. Bye bye.